Diamond press. Diamond press is a very good exercise to strengthen this part of the spine. Often what happens, you always see people and they tend to work this part of the spine. So what we're going to do today is we're going to relax everything down and we're going to focus purely on this little part of the spine, so in between the shoulder blades. So for your positioning for a diamond press, you have your feet, your toes together and your heels apart, so you just relax them. And then you're going to switch your bum cheeks off. Are they switched off? I've just got to check, haven't I? So, it's just as well as my husband. From here, your arms are going to be in a diamond position. So it's not the hands that make a diamond, it's the arms. So you're going to have your arms like that, and your fingers, your thumbs are together and your forefingers come together. So that's what's actually making the diamond rather than the hands. And then you just rest your head onto your fingertips over there. So Paul, what I want you to think about is activating your core muscles, so drawing the belly button in towards the spine without using your bum cheeks. Now what people often do is when they squeeze their belly, the bum starts working. We want to keep this bum switched off. And then think of sending your breastbone or your chest into the floor so that you get this activation here. And then you're going to lift your head slightly, so you think of a tortoise coming out of the shell. So there's no weight in the arms, so you're not pushing your weight onto the arms. So I'm just going to move the collar there. You still want to have this length, so you're not looking up. You are still getting the length in the neck. If you squeeze your bum and then come up really high. If you come up this high, then you know that your bum's working and this part of the spine is working. You haven't got much movement in this top part of the spine, so if you drop back down again. So you're only going to come up to there. So relax the shoulders. You're going to feel this in between the shoulder blades over there. Sometimes it can be a little bit of a pinching sensation. It does take practice, this move, to do this without activating the bums and the legs. And it's quite a tiring move, so you do a few and you are going to feel it. So again, belly button gets drawn in. So remember, you don't just squeeze your bums when you draw the belly button in, just think of giving your spine a hug. And then send the chest. So for ladies, just think of sending your boobs into the mat and allowing the head to lift slightly. So almost like you're trying to imprint your bosoms on the mat. And we'll get him to do one more. So if you are actually coming off of your chest, in other words, if your chest is lifting off of the floor, then you know you're working from that and it's incorrect. Ladies with bigger boobs are naturally going to come up a bit higher because you've got bigger boobs. So that is a diamond press for you. Like I said, it's really good for exercising and strengthening this part of the spine. Thanks for watching. Bye.